welcome y'all to another edition of Chainsaw Massacre. We got another massacre in here. We got Black. We got JT and this motherfucker. We got Miss Fresh. Hold on, come here. Don't you mess that up. We got another. He wants to be another. Stop it. You know. I didn't mean to call you Black. This another one. You want to suck the air out, Jerome? I do, man. I need my hair. Yeah, homeboy. You tired. Get it. When you tired, you just tired. There's nothing you can do about it, homeboy. You know what I'm saying? It just be like that. This is how we do, man. The dude, he drunk. We tear motherfucker's skin up. Hold on, one more shot.